Welcome back today. It's me, Beto G. I'm back today with another beat. I'm going to be making Sri Lanka trap beat today. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Turn on notification bell so anytime I drop my new videos, you will get notified. I'm going to be making Sri Lanka trap beat. So, I'll start to program my beat. When programming your beat, how to launch your FL Studio. Just put your cursor like this. You right click on your mouse, then you just click here and press open. But for me, I have already launched my FL Studio, so I'm just going to click here and just click enter. Since I was still working on a project, I'm just going to click on file, then click on new to start afresh. Now I'm going to start programming my Sri Lanka trap beat. I'm going to click on add, click on FL keys. I'll start to program my Sri Lanka trap beat. That's the beat I'm going to be making this morning. So I'm going to put my cursor here, left click and hold it, turn my mouse wheels to channel 5. Put my cursor on FL keys, right click, then press piano roll. The next step is I'll start to program my bass melodies now, right below. These are my bass melodies. After programming my first two bars, I'm going to click on select, which I can see press Ctrl and A. I'm going to press Ctrl A, then press Ctrl and B on my keyboard. After that, I'll click on add. Then I'm going to click on bow bars, which is going to be my second bass melodies. I'm going to put my cursor on this empty space, left click and hold it, turn my mouse wheels to channel 6. Put my cursor on bow bars, right click and then press piano roll. The next step is I will start to program my hi-hat. So this is my Sri Lanka trap beat. Now I'll put my cursor on channel 3, right click, then press piano roll. After I program my 1 bar pattern, I'll then copy right to bars number 8. I'm going to highlight your left, press Ctrl and B. That's it. The next step is I'll start to program my snare now. With everything on my channel 4, I will right click, then press piano roll. And program my snare now. At the end of each bar, I'm putting my snare. I finished programming my snare. I'm going to left click and hold it, drag my kick to channel 1, right click, then press piano roll. This is how my kick sound. Today I'm just going to program the first 4 bars, then highlight to the left, press Ctrl and B, right up to bars number 8. That's it. After that, I'll click on my kick, click on this effect target, click on it, and then just turn the boss knob right up like this, up to 43%. Now it's time to mix the beat 5 and 6. I'm going to bring down the 5, bring down the 6 right below the 5. On 5, I'll click on slot 1, add the fruity parametric EQ2, and then just like tweak it to default. Slot 2, I'm going to add a fruity limiter. Slot 3, I'm going to add a fruity soft clipper. These are the basic plugin you can use to mix your beats. On slot 6, on channel 6, slot 1, I'm going to add a fruity soft clipper. On slot 2, I'm going to add a fruity limiter. On slot 3, I'm going to add a fruity parametric EQ2, and that's okay. 3 and 4, I'll click on slot 1 and add a sound woodenizer. Slot 2, I'm going to add a fruity soft clipper. On channel 4, which is the snare, I'll click on slot 1, add the fruity soft clipper. On slot 2, I'm going to click and add a fruity parametric EQ2 again, and that's okay. It's time to swap left and right. If you put your cursor like this on the screen, this way my cursor is just look, and then you look at the top left corner, you will see swap left and right. Make sure you click each and every of these buttons to swap your melodies left and right on your speaker. Then by when you put your cursor here, you say reverse the polarities, just click and reverse the polarities like this. This is it. Now it's time to arrange a beat. If you put your cursor on the screen, they say view playlist, just click on view playlist, and then where they are putting part 1 here, put your cursor on top of this part 1. You right click on your mouse, and then just come down here and click split by chain here. As you can see, everything I've programmed today has appeared on the top left corner of my FL Studio. I'll just come here and click draw, then click on my kick, then click back into my playlist like this. I will just arrange it in order. I'll click on my hi-hat, click into my playlist, click on my snare, click back into my playlist, click on my FL keys, click back into my playlist, click on my bars, click back into my playlist. I'm going to just highlight it. I'm going to highlight it and press Ctrl and B. I'm arranging my beat now. I'm going to remove the kick, remove the hi-hat, remove the snare. After that, I'm going to highlight it to the left, press Ctrl and B. I'm arranging my beat now. I will click on my FL keys, I'm going to extend my bit now to my outro. I'll just click here, just from 81 to at the start of 81. I'll just time it, just extend it to my outro, click back onto my bull bars, and then just click back here. Make sure it align. I'm going to remove the hi-hat to create a different bounce when the beat reaches here. I'm going to remove the snare to create a different bounce when the beat reaches here. I'll go back to my mixer on 3 and 4. I'll put my cursor on 3 here like this. Then right click on my mouse, then click on create automation clip to control the volume automatically. On channel 4, I'll put my cursor on channel 4, right click, then click on create automation clip to control the volume automatically. Let's go and check. Now it's okay. Let's listen to the Sri Lanka tribute from the start to the end, and see you another time with another video on how to make beat. But just subscribe, press your subscribe button. Let's go. Thank you so much for watching. Tell me how you are feeling a bit on the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe.